If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount.
Loosen the screw. Remove the screw. Remove the access door. Are you looking for some more tutorials? Check out these other videos. If you enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out PartsPeople.com, where we have hundreds of tutorials and hundreds of thousands of parts. Thank you for using Parts People for your video tutorials.